At Naturalwear, customers often ask us for tips on how to put compression stockings on more easily. Today I'm going to show you our recommendation on how to fit compression stockings. When fitting a closed-toe stocking, there are a few things you can do to make it a bit easier. The first thing is just to put a little bit of powder over your foot if it's a little bit sticky. The second thing is to place the satin slip over your big toe. So in this case, your other toes should be exposed and your big toe should be in the small part of that satin slip. This is to make it easier to get it over your heel. Next, you get your stocking and you put it on like you would a regular sock to begin with. Because of the satin slip, it's a bit easier to get over my heel. Once it's partially up, we recommend getting some gloves. These can just be gardening gloves or Mediven gloves. The reason why this is helpful is because the gloves grip onto the stocking to help you move it up your leg. So gradually pull it up your leg. This is to make sure that your nails or rings don't snag the fabric, and it also means that the compression is even up your leg. And you can tell when it's even when the colour of the stocking is all even. Okay, and I can see that it's in the right place because the heel of the stocking is on the heel of my foot. So once it's 2 finger widths below the knee, then you take off your gloves and you pull this tag at the back. Oh sorry, first you pull your big toe out of the satin slip, and then you pull the tag up and out. And now when it's on, it should feel firm but comfortable, and I can feel that the compression is already working and it feels really good. Now to remove the stocking, you don't bunch it up across like you would take off a regular sock, otherwise the compression is going to be bunched up and it's going to be really hard to push over your heel. So with compression stockings, the best thing to do is to gradually peel it down. Peel it all the way down and off. Once you've removed your stockings, it's really important to take care of them. So check out our video for helpful tips on how to take care of your compression stockings. If you have any other questions, you can visit our website or you can give us a call on 0800 612 612.